mami, so samahan niyo ako mag-prepare ng dinner. It's honey sesame chicken. So, hinugasan ko lang yung chicken. Tapos, eto nga pala yung mga ingredients ng ating honey sesame chicken. So, 1 pound boneless, chicken breast. Tapos, kinat ko siya ng cubes or yung bite size. 1/2 cup flour, or 1/2 cup cornstarch, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder. Tapos 2 eggs. Ibig nyo yung egg and then 1/4 cup vegetable oil para yun sa pag-fry ng chicken. And then ito nga pala yung sauce ng ating honey sesame chicken. Ingredients is 1/4 cup soy sauce, 1/4 cup honey, 1/4 cup water, 2 tablespoon rice vinegar. So, kung wala kayong rice vinegar, you can search kung ano pwedeng i-substitute dun sa rice vinegar. And then, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 tablespoon water, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, 2 green onions sliced for topping siya. Then, fry nyo na yung chicken. And then, pa na-golden brown na, and then lutuin nyo yung sauce. And then, mix the chicken in the sauce, and then sprinkle with the sesame seeds. And then, yung onion leaves. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye!